In this video, let's see how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. Select the first cell you want to start tracking the duplicates on and right-click on it to open the Options menu. In the Options menu, click on View More Cell Actions at the bottom. From the expanded menu, select Conditional Formatting. In the sidebar, under the Apply to Range field, enter the value :A1000 next to A2. You can replace A with the actual letter of the column of your selected cell. Then, select the drop-down menu under Format Rules. Scroll down the drop-down menu and select Custom Formula Is. In the formula box, type this formula: equal to count if, open bracket, $B, $2, colon, $B, $1000, comma A2, close bracket, greater than 0. You can replace the letters and numbers according to the cells in your Google Sheet. Then, click the Done button. The duplicates are now highlighted.